Today we will install Enso on your PlayStation Vita running Firmware 3.65. You will need a Vita with Firmware 3.65, h-encore, Hinkaku, and Vita Shell. You will also need the ability to FTP into your Vita and the most recent version of Enso. Open Vita Shell after launching h-encore to enable homebrew. Press start to open your settings. Ensure select button is set to FTP and press circle. Press select and take note of the IP address. Connect to your Vita via FTP. Use anonymous login if asked, otherwise you will be repeatedly asked for your login credentials. Navigate to UXO, then data. Copy your enso.vpk file into this directory. Return to Vita Shell and navigate to UX0, then data. You will see the enso.vpk. Select it and press X. Press X to install it and a second time to confirm that you wish to install it. It will install and you will have a new Enso icon on your home screen. Run Enso. Press circle to accept the terms. Press X to install Enso. When it is done, you can press any key to reboot. Upon reboot, your PlayStation logo will be replaced by a molecule logo to confirm that Enso has been properly installed. Some tutorials recommend that you uninstall the Enso installer now. I recommend not taking that action so that if you choose to uninstall at a later date, it is very easy to do so. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Wilson Minute. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and if applicable, watch the next and previous videos in this series. If you would like to help support this channel, I have listed ways to do so in the video's description. Now get out there and apply your newfound knowledge.